Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Nexus mods for beginners. Using Nexus mods with Vortex is one of the easiest ways to install mods for PC games on Windows. Vortex automatically manages mod files, downloads, and game integration for supported titles. Following the correct setup process helps prevent installation problems and mod conflicts. To begin, open Nexus Mods in your browser and create a free account, or click Login if you already have one. Verify your email address if required, then sign into your Nexus Mods account. Install the game you want to mod, and launch it once before adding mods so the necessary game folders are created. Download and install Vortex Mod Manager, the official Nexus Mods mod manager. Open Vortex and allow it to scan your computer for supported installed games. Go to the Games section in Vortex and search for the game you want to manage. Select your game and click Manage to connect it to Vortex and enable mod support. Download a mod from Nexus Mods, then click Login, click Authorize, and hit Continue. When prompted to connect Nexus Mods with Vortex, hit Continue again. Wait for the Nexus Mods browser window to close automatically after authorization is complete. Return to Vortex, open the Extensions or Mod section, and make sure the game and downloaded mod are enabled correctly. Allow Vortex to deploy the mod files into the proper game folders, then launch the game, confirm the mod works correctly, and regularly check for updates after future game patches. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.